Shift focus to what's happening in the entire railway infrastructure ecosystem. We have with us joining Mr. Sanjai Kumar from RailTel, the CMD there, to talk to us about their earnings. Mr. Kumar, hi, good to be speaking with you. Well, your 9-month run rate is well ahead of 35% versus your guidance of 2025. Clearly, you're likely to beat the expectation, or Q4 is going to be a bit more sluggish?
I would say that we are going as per the momentum, and so I can maybe take it as 25 to 30% overall, but the momentum is going to be there. So that's what I want to say about it.
Mr. Kumar, would you be looking to up your guidance in this kind of an environment which is improving for you?
No, not now. But we are making our best that the momentum goes on, and we hope so.
Okay, so being a bit conservative there, but what's the current order book and what kind of growth are you envisaging in order inflows then?
So when we talk of order book, we stand today at 4,800 plus crores order book, and we are expecting this quarter also a few more orders, which many of those are under evaluation, and we are bidding also. So we expect that order book will continue to be grow.
Okay, so by the end of this year, what would be your standing order book currently?
So if we talk of order book by end of this year, so there will be some implementations also. So I can say that we'll remain in the range of 4,500 to 5,000 crore.
Okay, so that's about right now. But what does the FY25 order inflow target stand at, and what do you think will drive it?
So next year, we are entering into new areas like signaling business. We are targeting more. We are also participating in few tenders of education sector. Also, we have started getting orders. Then smart city phase 2 is also starting. So we are waiting for those kind of tenders coming up. So this year means FY25, we expect order book of maybe at least 50% rise in comparison to last year, means FY24. So at least we expect that 3,000 plus crores we should get.
Okay, excellent. Mr.
We will be
Kumar.
targeting, of course, more, but this is what about we are sure.
Okay, point taken. Mr. Kumar, for the second quarter, telecom business EBIT has been above the 20% mark. Can you help us understand what exactly led to this, and what will now be the telecom segment margins on a sustainable basis above the 20% mark?
EBIT margin is more than 20%. I would say it is around 23, 24%. If I am correct, it's around 24%. So we in EBIT in telecom, we are not facing any challenge as of now.
So you are assuring that going ahead, margins will sustain above the 20% mark, right?
Overall margin will be somewhere around in the range of 13 to, if you talk of EBIT, including telecom and projects, so 13 to 14%.
Sure, Mr. Kumar, but Indian Railways is also looking to deploy LTE, right? What has been the development on that front, and do you expect some orders to come your way? What could be the contribution, perhaps?
See, if we talk of LTE, so we have got an order also from one railway regarding, which is part of the LTE project, and we'll be executing this. And we are also conducting one LTE POC, proof of concept. We have got an order from railways. So we are contributing to LTE, of course, because we have been there as their telecommunication service provider. So I hope that we'll continue to give our services to them.
All right, Mr. Kumar, what are your plans to expand in the data center business? What is the business plan exactly? what will be the capex which will be required, and by when do you expect the same to start generating revenue? What kind of revenue potential does this segment actually hold?
See, regarding data centers, there's a lot of opportunity around, and so one is edge data centers. We are under the finalization stage of selecting our partner, and then Noida data center also. We have come out with a RFP for selecting a partner, and we are also basically strengthening our existing data centers, creating more capacity there. And so we expect that data center segment for now, maybe in the shorter run, will be growing at a pace of around 10 to 15%. But in the longer run, we are waiting for these outcome of these RFPs, and then we may be able to uh, uh, estimate some business revenue afterwards.
Right. Just lastly, before I let you go, what's been the performance of the Railwire business in terms of the subscriber base as well as ARPU? What can it grow up to?
So Railwire, it is very heated market, and we are still finding ways, innovating, getting customized tariffs for regions and then category of subscribers. As on date, we have around 5.66 lakh subscribers, and our ARPU is around 530. So next 1 or 2 years, so next year we are targeting to have 6 lakhs. This year next year we are targeting to have 8 lakhs. This year we will be around maybe 5.75 or 5.8. So next year we are targeting for 8 lakhs.
Okay, so on that note, we let you go. Appreciate you joining us on the show. But